Under a sky full of stars, Mira quietly walked into the forest behind her little cottage.
Suddenly, a glowing bird landed softly in front of her. "I am Nur," the bird said, "guardian of forgotten wishes." Then come. With one graceful swoop, it lifted Mira onto the sky, through dreams, toward her mother's lost smile. When she opened her eyes, moonlight touched her window. She ran to her mother's room. Her mother sat, holding an old drawing in her hand. Mira hugged her tight. That night, laughter returned to their little cottage, and on the windowsill, a single silver feather. Up above, far away,